What's the meaning of anterior? Anterior. 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 Anterior.
The term anterior is used to describe a location or position that is situated towards the front part of an organism or structure. It is commonly used in anatomical and medical contexts to refer to body parts or structures that are positioned closer to the front of the body. In contrast, the term posterior is used to describe structures or organs positioned towards the back. Understanding these terms is important when interpreting medical tests such as X-rays or CT scans, as they can provide valuable information about the location and relationships between different structures within the body.